Welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I cannot wait. I've heard there's some goodies in there. There is one reason I resubscribed to them, so I cannot wait. Boxycharm was definitely like off the hook. I'm so afraid someone can see through my window and they're judging me, even though my blinds are down. But I know boxycharm was so dope this month, and let's see if they can top them.
Let's see.
You should watch my thrift haul from Goodwill or the Tammy X palette by Makeup Revolution. Those two right now are my favorite videos. But my last video was actually a look I did with Jeffree Star that's actually pretty fire. It's pretty hot. It's a red look. It's a red eyeshadow look. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and you didn't leave yet. Bye. Welcome. This is sparkle from my boxycharm. What? Boxycharm? What? Alright, I'm going to be opening my Ipsy. Okay, that was done. So here's my address. See it? I can't wait. It's like the middle of the night and my daughter's sleeping and it should be really quiet. But I'm going to open this. I can't wait. Glam Bag Plus. Is that what I have? Ooh. Gotta read this stuff later. Yes! I was gonna get these today. That is so crazy. Here, do I need to turn up the brightness or no? Be beautiful, be you, Farrah. Be beautiful, be you, Farrah. Farrah rhymes with Sarah. Actually, that is Sarah, except with the F instead of the S. Alright, sorry. These seem super soft and fluffy. I cannot wait to use them. This is the Tarte Dream Big Amazonian Clay Palette. Let's go ahead and open her up. Very pretty. Ooh, it smells good though. That's it with the light up. This one right here, this glittery, like it's a brown with glitter. Mainly, it smells so good though. Mainly that I'd like to use. I'll have to see some looks with this before I sell it. No, just kidding. Before I judge it. I'm not selling anything. One of these items I'm saving for last because it's the reason I signed back up, and I'll let you know in a second. This is the Bye Bye Foundation. It is SPF 50 plus broad spectrum physical sunscreen, clinically tested, hydrating and anti-aging, 3D Skin Flex. What is it? Full coverage moisturizer. This is the new one. It might be my color too. I want to open it so I don't damage it, just in case I gotta exchange it for my color. Not for sale. Says right there, can't sell my stuff. This is in the color medium. Look at my arm compared to my neck. I changed it on the profile on Ipsy to be lighter. I gotta check, do they only have like light, medium, dark? Because if that's how it is, then I don't know. So I've heard it's like pretty full coverage, so I'm happy about that. All right, this is the first thing I don't know what it is. It's the Pure Lisse. I'm gonna pretend that I pronounced that correctly. Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. It protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily. No white tint, preps skin for makeup. Normal, dry, even sensitive. It's a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea soothes skin. Soy proteins keep skin soft and supple. Inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom. You know what? if this was made, I'm sorry, but Asians have perfect skin. All right, I do not have the same skin as you. There's a lot of sunscreens in here. The reason I signed back up to Ipsy and got this Glam Bag Plus is all for, drum roll please, editing Sarah, sorry, is all from Highlighter Star Island. Hopefully it's as good as they say. It's white. Whoa. Sorry. My makeup's rubbed off. I know it. I look crazy. I got tan stuff over there. Just leave me alone. I don't know who I am talking to, but oh, I'm so glad I signed up for this. It does. Holy crap. I mean, I'd have to blend that. It's obviously with my finger, but oh yeah, I'm so happy I signed up back with them. Oh, I'm gonna be in trouble with this stuff, seriously. This is the type of stuff that will make me get weird looks because I'll be just applying way too much. That's the Highlighter Star Island by Ofra. I'm so glad I didn't just drop it. Could you imagine? I'd wake up my baby. I don't care. I'd be screaming. Thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes my Ipsy unboxing. Why do I say that? Thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes my Ipsy unboxing. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribed. I know this was a short video and not that interesting, but you go watch my other videos. I promise you're going to find something interesting. That's not always a good thing. All right. Thank you. Bye. Hi.